Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix slow charging and USB-C issues on your Blackshark Pad 7 Pro. So first, what we want to do is we have the tablet right here. The charging port is on the right side. If you have the power button right at the top here, then your charging port will be on the right side. And you want to make sure that it is clean on the inside. As you guys can see, we can see it through the light. It is clean. And if yours isn't, I would recommend cleaning it out. It's very important because sometimes dust or any dirt can block the connection. Now, what you guys want to do is make sure that you use the original charger with a cable. And of course, if you don't have it, then don't worry. I do not have it either right now. And as you guys can see, if I plug it in, it is charging, but it won't be the charging that was supposed to be on this tablet because it is not an original charger. You need to have the original one. Of course, you need to check if there are some apps that may be blocking your fast charging apps that are running in the background. For example, here you can clear all of them. And of course, if you go over into settings, what you guys want to do is make sure that in the battery, you have the battery manager enabled. So this is very important because this will manage the apps that you don't really use or the apps that are draining a lot of battery in the background that can block your fast charging. And after you do everything, after you use the original charger, your charging will go back to being fast. So that's how you guys can do it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.